In industrial meat processing facilities, speed, hygiene, and continuity are essential. And they all come together in a single production line. The Arı Makina DKM-280 Frozen Meat Grinder, working fully integrated with a conveyor belt system, feeds frozen meat blocks into production without any manual handling. Frozen meat at temperatures between -15 and -25 degrees Celsius is processed directly, with no need for pre-thawing. Thanks to its powerful motor and heavy-duty auger system, the DKM-280 delivers continuous, high-capacity grinding performance. The processed product exits the front of the machine in a uniform minced form and is transferred via conveyor belt directly into the mixer hopper, completely contact-free. This integrated system reduces production time, minimizes labor requirements, and ensures the highest hygiene standards. Its AISI 3.0 for stainless steel construction guarantees food safety and long-term durability. Designed for high-volume production, the DKM-280 is the reliable solution for modern meat processing plants. Arı Makina. Powerful systems. Uninterrupted production.